Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can block unknown numbers on your iPhone. This is actually quite interesting because it's not as clean and as simple as you might think. Let's jump into it. Okay, guys, so here I have my iPhone and we're just going to click on settings to start with. Now, from the settings page, things have moved around a little bit. So there are some older guides out in the world, but things have moved around a little bit. So let me just go and show you the latest at the point of recording this video. Okay, so if we scroll down, we're going to go all the way to the very bottom where it says apps. Now, you used to just have a phone option much further up, but it's actually now buried inside the apps section. So we're going to click on apps there, and then we're going to use the alphabet on the right-hand side to select phone, or we could scroll on down, but that gets a little bit fiddly. So we're just going to come down to P for phone, and here you can see the phone application. We're going to click on that one right there. Now, in this setting, or at least these settings here for the phone, is where we're going to find the ability to, I guess, block isn't necessarily the right terminology, but it's kind of the most common language that is used. If we scroll down all the way until we find screen unknown callers. Now you can see by default this is set to never, which basically means calls from unsaved numbers will ring and you're going to get missed calls that will be displayed in the recents list, right? Not exactly blocking unknown numbers, is it, right? If you go down, it says ask the reason for calling. Now this one I quite like because basically what it's going to do is it's going to basically say, why on earth are you phoning me? Give me more information before actually the iPhone will ring, right? So that's an interesting setting. And then you've got this one down here, which basically calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced. They'll be sent straight to voicemail and displayed in the recents list. Calling data and of course rates may apply. Now that one's really quite useful. I like that one because basically people can just leave a voicemail. Now by default it is never. The reason for calling is an interesting one, and then silence is also there. So it depends on how many kind of spam calls you're getting here as to which one of these options you're going to select. For me personally, I don't generally need to filter too much out, but if it does ramp up and I get a load of cold callers or whatever, I would select silence. Now going down a little bit further, you also have call filtering, which basically means missed calls and voicemails from unknown numbers will also be silenced and moved to the unknown callers list. Kind of crazy, right? Pretty interesting stuff going on when it comes to that. Now, obviously it's not as clean as just blocking them. I mean, silencing them is pretty decent though. If we come out of the phone settings and we also go over to M for messages, if I can find it in here. Okay, because you can do the same for your messages as well. If we scroll down to the unknown senders, you can screen unknown senders, basically hide notifications and move messages to unknown senders list. And you can also filter. So if I turn this on, you can see all notifications or others and so forth. You can mess around with those settings and the filters here as well. You can also filter things out. So really quite useful settings. It's not as clean, like I say, as just blocking, but very useful to being able to filter out a lot of the noise. So if you're just getting harassed by cold callers and just junk, scammy, and maybe scammy is pretty a decent way of articulating it, messages, you know, with those phishing links and stuff in their messages, then that will be how you would go and filter them out, because clearing out a lot of that noise is going to protect you and your family, of course, when it comes to this digital age that we're living in. So there you have it, right? That is essentially how you would go ahead and block, quote unquote, any kind of unknown callers and unknown senders sending you SMS messages or just trying to cold call you. If this has worked for you and found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.